Understanding, fall off the perch, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, fall off the perch. This expression is a colorful way to describe something very specific, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning, but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's dive right in and unravel the mystery of this idiom together. The phrase, fall off the perch, is an idiom used to humorously or euphemistically describe someone's death. The perch here metaphorically refers to life, with the act of falling off it representing death. Originally, this expression comes from the way birds might die while still perched, suddenly and unexpectedly falling off. It's a way to talk about death without directly mentioning it, often to lighten the mood or to avoid the discomfort of the topic. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The origin of fall off the perch is believed to be from the 19th century, rooted in the natural observation of caged birds. If a bird died while perched, it would literally fall off. This visual became a common way to refer to death, especially in a less solemn or serious context. Using fall off the perch in conversation requires a bit of sensitivity, as it deals with the topic of death. It's best used in informal settings among friends or in contexts where a lighter tone has been established. For example, did you hear about the old tree in the park? It finally fell off the perch last night in the storm. I hope I'm still running marathons when I'm 80 and don't just fall off the perch sitting at home. Notice how it can also be used metaphorically, not just about people, but things or even ideas that have died or come to an end. English is rich with idioms that touch on the theme of death, each with its own nuance. Similar expressions include kick the bucket, bite the dust, and pass away. While all these idioms discuss the end of life, they vary in formality, context, and tone. Fall off the perch is on the more humorous side, akin to kick the bucket. Thank you for joining me today to explore the idiom, fall off the perch. Idioms like this add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to express complex ideas in a nuanced way. Remember, the key to mastering idioms is not just understanding their literal meaning but knowing when and how to use them appropriately. Happy learning, and I hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable. Until next time, keep exploring the richness of the English language.